Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? Today I'm going to show you how to record live drums in GarageBand with an audio interface and a MacBook Pro. So first, make sure you order the CableMatters Thunderbolt 3 to 2 adapter, and I'll have that in the description for you. I'm also using a residentaudio 4-channel audio interface, so I'm going to be able to record kick, snare, and the 2 toms, or you could do 2 overheads. So go ahead and log into GarageBand. You should see Thunderbolt T4 input right there as an input device. Double click on new project, open that up, and we're going to start with input 1. So personally I use number 1 is going to be the kick drum, then 2 is going to be snare, 3 is the high tom, 4 is the low tom. So you'll just do a quick little check here. Now you won't hear any sound from the drums just because I did a screen recording, but you can see that I'm getting some signal there. So all the mics are plugged in. I'm going to go to 2. This is going to be my snare drum. So you can double click or hit create. So we're going to make 4 separate tracks. You can see that I did another sound check. Click the plus sign again. Go to 3. This is going to be the high tom. Double click or hit create. Sound check. Okay, great. One more. We're going to do the plus symbol. We're going to go to input 4. This is going to be my low tom. Click on create. So we've got our 4 tracks here. Now you can double click where it says audio 1 and we can rename it. So I'm going to put kick, snare, high tom, and floor tom. Alright, so we're all set up. Everything, the Thunderbolt's connected. You need to make sure you add the drivers. Now how do we set up record? Right there, it's right click, configure track header, then click on record enable. Click out of that and we're going to select everything that we want to record. So I actually did a test and I forgot to select the kick drum, so I'm redoing it. It'll count you in. You can set the metronome, just hit that record button, and now you can see I'm recording on all 4 tracks. Snare drum's a little hot, but that's okay, we can mess with it later. And you can EQ everything later as well. Just make sure they're getting a signal that it's not too high. So I just finished there. Quick little beat. I'm not sure what it sounded like. Now I want to EQ a little bit on the kick drum. I wasn't very happy with how that sounds in the headphones. So I can mute out all the other tracks. I'm going to play the kick drum. I want to increase the low, pull out little mids, pull out the low. And right here is the EQ. So I want to make it a little bit deeper, so I brought that over and I lowered the 500 kilohertz so you can get familiar with some of the numbers that you know how it sounds. So basically just play around with this. It's really easy to use, just drag and click. So I'm going to unmute everything, so you just click that speaker looking thing right there, hit play. I can rehear the track. It sounded much better. The kicks sounded good, so I can't wait to show you some live recordings here soon. I'm going to take down the snare a little bit. And that's it. If you thought this video was useful, please share, like, and subscribe.